Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm tutorial we are going to create algorithm that will calculate factorial of a number. As you know that, for example, if you write like a 4 factorial equal what we calculate, we say 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply, we don't need to multiply by 1, but let's say 2 multiply 6, 3 multiply 2 6, and 6 multiply 4 is 24. So basically 4 factorials is equal 24. Now we are going to create an algorithm that calculate any number that we input. It will return out as a result a factorial. Now let's go, and here I want to create a method, say private, and this time since factorial requires a big number, I will just use data type as a decimal. I say private static decimal, and I will call it factorial calculation. And here I will pass through my decimal number. I say factorial, and let's first write console write. I say enter factorial number, and here we'll say var factorial, and then we'll convert to decimal. Console read line, and let's here I say console write line, and we'll say result equal, then plus, then we call our method and we pass through our factorial. Let's here we need to create a for loop. First let's write decimal. Let's say result, I will put 1, and let's here for loop, not integer, maybe let's say decimal also this one, and until it will start from 2 until our number, let's say factorial, something like this, and we say result multiply by I, and then we'll return the result. Let's go run it and see what the result will be. If 4 is 24, 5 120. Let's go, and here we can check it. Let's see. Let's see, put the big digits. Let's say 8 is the same result. Yes, let's put maybe one more. Let's put this like 12. 12 is equal, yeah. Let's see, sorry, is also equal, yeah. It's functioning as we expected. Anyway, this is like this. Next video I will create another algorithm. Will do the same thing. Will basically calculate our factorials, but that time it will start from 2 and until the maximum decimal number can hold it. For example, here I don't know until which number can go. We'll try until it gives our out of range exception. So see you next